Hey guys, so we have back in stock now some Z232 zero-turn mowers. So these are our smallest zero-turn mowers in the Kubota lineup. So 42-inch fabricated mowing deck, but also got a 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine on the back. So a lot of power for this size mowing deck. So if you're considering a machine around that 42-inch cutting width, you should definitely come and consider this machine. So it is more of a residential type machine, but it does have commercial hydrostatic transmissions in here as well, plus the Kawasaki engine. So definitely worth a look. Main features that you should consider at the end of the day. So we've got a full chassis on this machine as well, which also allows for the rollover. So if you're considering a 42-inch mower and you're looking for something comparable to this, make sure it's got a rollover bar. So anything with a rollover bar on a zero-turn mower is going to show you the strength of that machine through the chassis layout. So if you're looking at anything in the market and comparing, make sure it's got a rollover bar on it. We've also got our 42-inch fabricated mowing deck. So 2-blade system on the 42-inch zero-turn. We've got park brake levers, a really big high back seat too, and armrests. I can't stress how better the comfort is and the ride quality just by having armrests. Just being able to rest your elbows down if you need to when you're operating the machine. And then same as all the other mowers, we've got adjustable lever control for operator comfort. So you can lift these up higher for taller people, or you can push the reach forward and back just to get the nice comfort level for when you're actually controlling and using this machine. Something that Kubota does in the Z200 series lineup really well is the mechanical lift system on the mowing deck. So you're not actually lifting, changing pins to change the cutting height that you want to mow the grass at. It's very, very easy and simple to use. So all the 200 series will have a pedal to be able to lift and lower the mowing deck. On this particular model 232, it's here. So all you're doing is taking the weight off the mowing deck, and then there's a dial system here on the side. So you can see we're from 1.5 inches in cutting height to 4.25. So once you take the weight of the mowing deck, it's just turning the dial around to the cutting height you want to pick, and then take your foot off, and it just lowers straight down to that cutting height. So there's no putting pins in or guessing any heights. And it's the same when you want to lift the mowing deck. It's just pushing it down. You can change the height again. If you want it to stay up to the highest position, just put it in the maximum height, take your foot off, and it's locked up in that position. So very, very easy to change the cutting height on the go, and it's very quick to do. We've got our slide on the seat as well. So for anyone that's a little bit shorter, we've got the seat slide, and we've got our Kawasaki engine on the back. So very easy to get maintenance in here for the air filter, for change, and you can check just to make sure it's clean. Engine oil check, very simple, straightforward, easy access on the side. And then we've also got down in the center down here, we've got our little levers. So all they are is if you're in the shed, right? The shed's closed, you don't want to start the mower up to move it. You can disengage the transmissions in there and freewheel push the machine around. So it makes it very easy to move around in confined spaces in sheds if you need to. Moving around just to all your controls here. So just on the right hand side of the machine, that's just that dial height adjustment for the mowing deck, cutting height. Our choke, just for cold start. Blade engagement, engine throttle, and then just your filler, just for your petrol on the machine. As you see it, this is the stock machine, how you get it from Kubota. There is other options and accessories that you can fit. So this one is fitted with the tow hitch or hitch kit on the back of the machine. That's not standard, it's very cheap, but you can fit a tow hitch. Other options are grass catchers or mulching kits on the machine as well. So it'll suit all those applications depending on what you want to do, whether you want to collect the grass, mulch the grass, or if you just want a traditional side discharge, it can suit all of those applications for you. These are currently in stock in our yard, so if you'd like to come in, have a look, have a drive around the yard, by all means, leave us a comment, reach out to any one of our branches in the AHS group. We'll make sure that we can get you looked after. very, very good 42-inch cut. So if you're considering a 42-inch, 40-inch or something around this size, make sure you come in and look at this machine.